So guys, I just bought some TPMS sensors for the truck and I gotta service my tires, so I figured today was a great day to do a little review slash, I guess, first impression of the ViAir system. We bought it, I don't know, probably 2 months ago and we haven't used it yet. So follow along this video and let me know what you think. Alright, so today's video, like I said, is on the ViAir system. It's going to be a little unorthodox because I'm trying to hide inside from the wind. We got a cold front coming through Florida right now and it's a little windy outside. So a lot of this video I'm going to try to do inside. We'll see how it goes. And if I'm being 100% honest, I don't feel comfortable walking around with the camera outside like this. So anyways, I use the wind as an excuse. If it was windy every day, that would be fine by me. So the ViAir system, so we bought this a few months ago. We have yet to use it. Today I'm gonna try it out for the first time. When you first get it, it comes in this great package right here. As you can see, like this. It's very nice, well-built carrying case. Alright, so once you unsnap it and you unzip this bag, it's gonna come with a few things right in the main package. You're gonna have your air chuck, which is this piece right here. This is very handy for dualies. From what I've heard, like I said, I've never used this before, so you're learning as I'm learning. But from what I hear, this is very handy with dualies. We'll find out today. Your air gun. Inside of the compressor is gonna have your negative and positive battery terminals. These are for the to get the power of the compressor. And then the compressor itself. On a nice built stand, has a little foam handle right here. And this is a well-built compressor, firm. You can put it anywhere and it'll stay still. So that's in your main compartment. Inside each of the side compartments is going to come with a 30-foot hose. So you got 60-foot length total, and that is plenty of length to get from the front of your truck to the back of your tires on your fifth wheel. And then they also give you this little angled adapter too, which is kind of like this chuck, but it's a 90. So that actually might help even better, honestly. I think I might use this more. This is, like I said, this is a learning process. We're gonna go through this together. But I might use that more. That looks very helpful, actually. And then they also have this bag of 4 little valve adapters. This camera sometimes has a hard time focusing. So that comes in the bag also. I'm gonna put this together. There's a few fittings and some filters and whatnot that need to go on. And then once I get it all together, we're gonna go outside. With my new TST TPMS system, I know that I need to air up my tires, so I'm gonna do that. So I was wondering, any of you guys, and I know the answer before I even asked this, but do any of you guys have this ViAir system? And I know you do. Let me know in the comments though, because I want to know how much you like it. You guys have any drawbacks to it, or are you liking it so far? I'm really looking forward to using this. First thing I figured out already, 2 different hoses. Remember how I said there's 60 feet total? 2 separate hoses, 30 and 30. So there is a extension hose to compressor, and then there is a primary hose to compressor. Obviously, if you're only doing 30 feet, you only want to use the primary hose to compressor. If you're going to extend to 60 feet, then you use the extension. What I like about this compressor is it'll reach 110 psi, which a lot of the ones that you get for like cigarette lighters or 12 volts will not do. And that's a problem because you can't air up your RV tires, which most are around 110, at least for the big rigs like ours. That's our normal serviceable pressure. All right, so I got everything hooked up as far as there's a filter that needs to be connected when you first get it out of the bag. Got all the plastic off of everything. All my hoses are ready to go. We're gonna take this thing outside. I'm gonna plug it into my 5th wheel battery. That way I can hit all my tires if I needed to. And we're gonna give it a try and see how it goes. For the outside tires, I had to use the soft hose. This gauge works great. Tell me I'm at 65, and then I can just unscrew it. hopefully before I lose a lot of pressure. That's it. Look at this thing. A lot of pressure. Let's see what the TST says. Alright, so for me, for the dually, for the outside tires, I use the soft hose because I can't quite get this angled piece to hook. But then on the inside tires, this was definitely the better choice. Going forward, just make sure when you take your kit, you bring both of these with you. Alright, this side's service. I'm gonna go do the other side. So far the TST system's working great also. I'm gonna keep moving forward. That was the video on the ViAir system. Like I said earlier in the video, there are two different lines. The black soft one worked really well for my outer wheels because of the valve stems kind of go inwards. And that one, the metal one with the like two different angled direction connector things, I don't even know how to explain it. I couldn't get it to fit correctly. The black one worked really great for the outer two wheels, and then the longer metal one worked really well for the inner two wheels. So make sure that you have those, if you have a dually, make sure that you keep both of those in your bag with you at all times, or you might not be able to service your outer wheels. Also, it did take probably about 5 minutes per wheel to service them. Not too long. I thought it was gonna go a little bit quicker, but you know, it is what it is. At the end of the day, I can't complain. I can plug that thing into a battery. I plugged it in my 5th wheel battery, hooked it right up, turned it on, and serviced all of my dually tires in my camping spot. So you can't beat that. If you have this system, let me know what you like about it in the comments, what you don't like about it in the comments. And also, we really appreciate you guys following us, and thank you very much for all the subscribers that we keep getting, and thank you for following our journey. I don't know what the hell this is. I'm gonna have to look at this before I tell you. I'm gonna have to research this.